What's going on? We back. We back with another one. Just got done working out, I know. We got a little finna eat with y'all. What time is it? It's 10:43, Tuesday. We got steak, macaroni, and with the breakfast. How y'all feeling? Y'all ready for Christmas? Got 8 more days. Eight more days till Christmas. We still got some shopping to do. Almost done. See the spiders in the back. We still in Halloween mode too. Steak gotta be well done. Hold on, give me a second, y'all. You said you farted. Ugh. Ugh. Don't do the gummies. In other words, fat. Anybody going to see that new Lion King? Come out on the 20th. If you're a Lion King fan, drop a line in the comments. I don't really like onions with my steak, but I got a couple today. Appreciate everybody be tapping into the lives. Trying to come back around, be more consistent. Make sure y'all tap in, hit the like button, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Stay tuned in. Y'all see the tree in the back, the kids did that. Did a good job. Wanted to go out to eat. All the lunch spots open up at 11. We've been up since 6 or 7. I can't wait that long. What y'all put on y'all steak? Like barbecue sauce. I know a lot of people say A1. Oh, what about that? I think it's called Craven, the Hunter or something. What y'all think about that? I definitely want to go see that too. Go live. a little later, probably after, school time and all that. Get the kids, have them settled after, practice and all that. Might go live afterwards, because, you don't know how I do. Hope everybody feeling good today. What y'all like? Y'all a lunch person, or do y'all prefer breakfast in the morning? Let's see how many people. How many people wake up eating lunch instead of breakfast? Like, even if I go to a restaurant, even if I get like French toast and hash browns, I always get some chicken tenders or something. Gotta have it. Rarely go out for breakfast though, but if I do, I'm get some chicken for sure. Quick little after workout lunch. Appreciate everybody who's gonna tap in. Like I said, make sure you hit the like button. Share, subscribe. You feel me? Mm, gotta go shave. Mm. That's it. Everything else. Make sure y'all hit that like button, share, subscribe, tap in. Appreciate everybody who's gonna watch. Love.